What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trader with another video. I know many of you have been waiting for this video. Today we're going to talk about NVIDIA. We're going to talk about NVIDIA because it actually dropped 30, if I remember well, 35%. Let's take a look at the chart, which is remarkable. When it comes to stock market and high cap stocks, it's pretty big. It's crazy because we were around here at the top of the chart, around here when I was making my my last video, and I was telling you guys about possibility of going down to this support and bouncing off that. You can actually go to my channel and check my last video on NVIDIA to see that prediction. And as you can see on the chart, we actually hit perfectly this support that I've been telling you guys, because this is a really important level. This is 618 Fibonacci retracement level, historical support, and we're getting closer to weekly 50 moving average. But if we gonna break this support right here, the next one will be at around $80 per share. So we will see what's going to happen. When we take a look at the daily, we can see that it's pretty strong. Maybe let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. That bounce was around 20%, which is pretty nice. But let's come back to weekly chart right now, and what do we see? But before we start, I just need to mention that none of this is financial advice. Everyone is responsible for their own decisions. It's just me analyzing the charts that I love, and I'm gonna share with you my knowledge, but everyone should make their own individual decisions. And thank you so much to all of new subscribers. If you like my content, make sure you click the subscribe button right now, comment down below, and like this video. It's gonna help me grow my channel, and thank you so much in advance. Alright, let's get back into the chart. So many of you are probably scared. What the hell is happening? Why this stock just tanked like 35%? And I was telling you guys in my previous video, it's totally normal that we've been drifting away, so far away from the moving averages. And I told you guys there is a risk of a higher correction, even touching this moving average. So is that over? In my opinion, it might not be over. Why the market crashed? The market crashed. Warren Buffett took some profits, took some cash off the market. And when Warren Buffett is doing it, he's hoping that some of the stocks may crash. We may go into the bear market, so he can use that cash to buy back some stocks. Also, Asian markets tanked, and there's been a couple of events happening in the world. I'm not going to cover that right now because I just want to focus on technical analysis for now, because it works. As you can see on the chart, this support right here that I told you about, look guys, like how remarkable is that? I freaking nailed it, and I'm so proud of myself. Look, it's actually perfect, like perfect prediction. If you had your order limits right here, and if you purchased the stock, NVIDIA stock, for the price of $90 per share, you should be on the profit right now, on the profit side, around 15%, which is big when it comes to stocks, because if you have some serious real money, you should go into stocks. You know, with crypto you can risk some smaller amounts, but people who play with higher liquidity, they usually have more cash, and it's because it's less risky. So 15% out of million, it's obviously a lot of money to be made on that swing. However, you're asking me, is it over? So there are two probabilities. First probability is that was the local bottom, and we're just gonna bounce and continue moving forward for a new all-time highs. Do I really believe this happening? I don't think so. Why? Because when we look at this RSI, weekly RSI right here, down there, we can clearly see a bearish divergence right there. And I think, in my opinion, we're just going to continue going down to touch this level and then shake out everything before going actually up on this RSI chart. And I would love to see this RSI go down historically. I'm going to show you what I mean. When we zoom out a little bit on a weekly chart, what are the best RSI points right here? When we go to the oversold side, right here, those are the lowest levels I found in the last 5 years. And look at that. First level right here, it was the perfect moment for purchasing NVIDIA for long term for literally $11, and we went to 140, right? So we did like 12, 13x, something like that. Another moment is right there. That was another perfect moment here locally, of course. I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about here locally. It was the best purchasing moment to get some NVIDIA. So RSI is really important. Take a look with stocks like that. Always take a look at weekly chart and weekly RSI, weekly Fibonacci retracement levels, and it's gonna help you a lot. So when I take a look at this RSI pattern, I kind of want this to continue going down and touching those levels right here. Whatever we touch right here, I think it's gonna be a good opportunity to acquire more, get some more stocks when it comes to NVIDIA. But if that happens, this means that let me just zoom a little bit. This means that we're just gonna bounce off that support like we did right here, and this is gonna be a dead cat bounce, and we're gonna break this support and go to the next one right here and then bounce. Or if we're gonna break this one, then we're gonna go into go into probably $60, and the lowest I think possible is $50, something like that, because we're not gonna get into this 200 moving average right here, because by the time we're gonna get into this moving average, it should be somewhere here. So what I mean by that, we're too high right now, and there's no way we can go that low super quickly. It takes time. So by the time we get there, this moving average will actually cross with this support. So that's gonna be like a perfect bear market bottom, I should say, like something like this, boom, and we'll retest and going up, something like that. So that would be my lowest level. I would look for dollar cost average, for dollar cost averaging, $91 dollars right here that we topped was the perfect purchasing opportunity. But from 90 up to 50, everything that goes below 90, this level 75, 60, 50, the lower we get, the more I should purchase, for me personally, and that's my plan. I really recommend you changing your mind when you see red color, when you see corrections. Just smile and be thankful, because you can get such amazing stock like NVIDIA for a cheaper price. When you go to the store and you see promotion, when you see a discount, you're happy, and you should be happy right now. And the lower we get, the actually better, because as I told you before, if your goal is, for example, to retire, you want to retire and you just want to double your money from this level where you are right now, and your goal is $200 per share, that means from the current level you would make around 92%. However, if we can go to 75 right here to this level, 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and your goal is $200 per share, you will make 162%. Huge difference, right? And not such big price difference here. So I would pray. I'm actually praying, even though I purchased some at this level, I'm still hoping that we're gonna get lower because I want to get more with better price. Okay, the lower we get, the better. And if we can get to this point I was talking about, that would mean for me, that would mean the lowest point we can get into the bear market if the bear market happens. Even if it's like a temporary bear market, doesn't matter. From that point going all the way up to $200, it's 300%. You see, guys, that's 210% more that you can make. So as I've been telling you and repeating on my videos, is that you're not making money on the way up, you're making money on the way down. So the lower we can jump into some stocks or Bitcoin, whatever crypto investments, doesn't matter, the more percentage you can make in profit over time. All right, I hope that's clear. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's update. I hope you like it. If you did, please smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and make a comment. If you don't know what to comment, just comment thank you. I really appreciate that. It's gonna motivate me to make more updates for you. I will keep you posted for NVIDIA for sure. I hope everything that I said was clear. I'm really trying to be to make it as simple as possible. And yeah. All right, if you have any questions, drop them down below, and see you in the next video. Bye.